Hi there, Joe DiPaolo here with DiPaolo Financial Group, and today we're going to walk through the fixed rate mortgage calculator. This is a perfect calculator to use if you want to get a good understanding of your total mortgage cost as you're evaluating maybe buying a new home or upgrading into a different property. So let's walk through this step by step, following my cursor. Let's start with the loan amount. Okay, so this is going to ask you specifically for how much you're planning on borrowing specifically. So it doesn't take into account how much money down you're going to put, just what the total loan's going to be. So we're going to use here as an example $400,000. And the annual interest rate is the fixed rate mortgage amount. So we're going to use 6%. And we're going to use a 30-year term. The calculator is going to ask you for when do you want the mortgage term to start. So we're just going to put this out for 1 month. And it's going to ask you the compounding interest frequency, which on the mortgage we're going to want to put 12 months. We'll just put that in. And then the payment frequency is how often you're going to pay. And we'll put that in for 12 months as well. It's also got some interesting features too. If you wanted to show payments going in weekly or twice a month, you can set it up really any way you want. But we're just going to show it for monthly. And it's going to ask you if you're going to be paying private mortgage insurance. And so typically if you don't put 20% down on a mortgage, then you'll have some form of PMI, private mortgage insurance, that you'll have to pay. So in this example, we're just going to put down $200 per month as an example. And it's going to ask you the tax bracket that you're in. For this evaluation, we're just going to put 22%. We hit calculate, and it'll give you a summary very nicely laid out over on the right hand side of your screen, where you're going to see how many years until the mortgage is paid off. It shows you how many payments you're going to make and at what dollar amount. So as you can see, total payments are $863,000. The total interest that you paid over that 30-year period of time would be $463,000. So a lot of times people are shocked when they see how much interest it actually gets acquired or paid during the course of a mortgage payment. Right below that, they have a tax deduction box, and so not everybody will benefit from this. So just quickly, I'll just share with you that in the event that you itemize your taxes and mortgage interest is deductible. So in this case, if that was the case, and if this person can itemize, the effective interest rate would actually be 4.68, because he'd be getting some of that money back from Uncle Sam at the end of the year from a tax break. Also, the calculator will estimate exactly how much homeowners insurance might cost on a property that's $400,000 and what the estimated taxes would be. Obviously, these are just estimates, so you want to make sure you get the actual amounts on a property that you're looking for. So the total amount of payment would be $3,331. If you scroll down a little bit further, it shows you exactly how much of that payment is interest, how much of that payment is going towards the principal, and it shows you every year going out to month 360. So hopefully this helps. Feel free to check out some of the other mortgage calculators on the site.